I'm telling you this because you're a writer. You can use it. I'm telling you in all honesty, if he'd seriously wounded himself, I wouldn't have gone on living another minute. Not for lack of courage, mind you. I've decided I'm going to tear this love out of my heart. Just tear it out by the roots. So I'm getting married. To Medvedenko. Loving without hope. Waiting years on end for something you don't know what. Better off married. Forget about love. I'll have new troubles to blot out the old ones. Anything for a change. Shall we? Come on. You don't have to look like that. Lots of women drink.